How to use multiple effects on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, then you have to go on the plus icon that is located down below, and then you have to select the video that you want to put anything on. Let's say I am selecting a random video. I have to go on the videos tab and then scroll down and find any of the video. Let's say I am gonna select this video that is 18 seconds. Then I'm gonna hit next. Now I have to go on effects panel, and over the timeline I can put one effect. By clicking on the effect, it will put the effect, but if I want to put another effect, then I have to click on that, and then I have to click on another effect if I want to put another effect. Now I have to, if I want to put the effect, I have to hold the effect and it will put it over here. Then I'll have to scroll back, and now I can hold another effect and put it again over that. This is how you can put multiple effects on a single video. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.